Hey, we are fixing more bugs for the video game Gravitorium. What is my task, actually? So I've got a current bug assigned to me. And this bug states that when we finish the game, let me put a quick hack in here. And this hack will be something like level index is 5, not 55, 5. And then level cluster index is 5 as well. I think 5 means the last one. It either means the last chapter or it's going to break, and we will find out very soon. Basically, I don't want to be able to play, I don't want to have to play through the entire game in order to figure out. Ooh, nice. We got new music. Check that out. All right, I'm feeling that. That's awesome. This is really getting there. Wow, that's incredible. With the alarm sound and everything. Holy shit. Alright, it's getting a little grating. Okay. Alright. Man. Wow, what an intro. Okay. That got me a lot more excited. When working on a game and you're very early on in development, not even just very early on, just whenever anything is early on in development in a game, in this case the cutscene, I mean, if you saw it in the last video, the cutscene didn't have the same music. I think the asset looked different. But either way, the first time that I ever saw that cutscene, it was a lot simpler. Like, the music wasn't there at all. The asset, like, the ship looked extremely flat. And, like, the fade-in was there. There were some things there that were decent. But, like, when it all starts to come together, that's something special. So let me hit continue. Will it start me there? I don't want to start there. Did we get a console error? No. What's up? Maybe this would be a 4. Let's try 4 on both, see what happens. And then while this loads, I want to see the manager. Manager. Yeah, so there should be a 5. Yeah, okay, so I actually do want 0, 1, so down here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 was correct. That's what we want. I hope this video is not just entirely going to be me figuring out how to start at the last level. It should have recompiled. It absolutely should have recompiled. Oh, my screen is glitching out. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, this is not a test play, so I'm going to remove you. How is test play even defined? False by default. I'm on somebody else's branch, so test play might be true for all I know. Okay, oh, look at that. Hold space to skip. Oh, this is awesome. All right, let me go back to the main menu. Continue. And it's not starting me there. Interesting. Why are you not doing this? Test plays, test play, test play, test play, test play. Let's look around for level cluster index. Did anything new happen here? Oops. Oops. I'm searching. There it is. Lead start, select level. It's the entry point for level select, which I implemented and I don't think is part of this. So let's try this. I know this is, so try get next scene is the logic for picking whatever the heck is going to be next. So let's see if that actually picks up my change to the level selection index. Okay, so that didn't even get hit, which is fine. But I should be able to hit continue and start where I think I should. Okay, this, oh, no, this isn't even attached. You know what I need to do is I need to turn on chill jams. There we go. Okay. Stop running. And let's go again. Continue. Still doesn't get hit, huh? Where did this breakpoint go? What? That's not what I wanted. Where was that? New game. Oh, okay. Yeah, hitting new game sets 0, 0. That much makes sense. Wait, so continue is a method here. Where's continue? Because there's a continue button, so therefore we'll finish. Continue. What do you do? Oh, that's why you load no matter what. Okay, so I need to. All right. Let's go back. So this doesn't need to be here. This happens on continue. And new game resets it to 0, so that's fine. Continue. Okay. Here is where I do 5, not 55. 55. Castlevania Lament of Innocence. If you were curious, this music is phenomenal. Oh, okay, no references everywhere. What is happening? Okay, I don't know what that was, but let's say continue. And okay, great. So now we're direct. Wait, how did we get here? So 5-5 is probably too far. I probably have to do 5-4. Okay. Either way, when we already have time trial unlocked here, we need to not show that you unlock time trial screen. We need to show a different screen. So that's the bug. And let's go back here and set this to 4. I want to be on the last level so that I can just beat the one level and very quickly test to see if we go to that screen. Okay. Continue. Perfect. All right, so we figured it out. We have an easy repro, which is such an important aspect of software engineering, programming. Whenever you've got a bug, you have something that you need to solve. The first thing that you want to do is reproduce that bug. Ideally, the second thing you want to do is create or set up a very easy to reproduce scenario so that when you're going through fixing it, you don't have to go through this whole long-winded process. You have a very quick, basically a unit test of like, does this work? So whenever you're solving problems using programming, set up the reproduce it in the first place, and then go ahead and set up a consistent repro for yourself. So that's what we've done here. So my bug is, if time trial is already unlocked, stop showing that time trial screen. So I've reproduced it. And I've set it up such that we start at the final level so that we can easily reproduce it. So we know if the person has beaten the game based off of this I think I called it has beaten game, yeah. So if has beaten game is set, we know they've beaten it. And I know that we have a credits screen script because I made that script. So this runs when the credit scene happens. Now this unlock sound should only play when it's not null, and God, I wish I had a utility class for checking this. Actually, no, I can pull it out of the game manager. I have a utility class, turns out. And game manager.instance.hasBeatenGame. I don't need to put equals true. This should be not a 62. Whoa, still getting used to this keyboard. Awesome. So only if we have not beaten the game yet. Ooh, maybe it happens here. There's a check somewhere here of has beaten game where I set it, right? So when there's a chance that by the time that we enter this credits scene, which I think is actually true. Yeah, so what happens is when we finish playing the game, we set has beaten game to 1. We go to the end state, we load the credits scene, which then runs this logic, which would check, have we not beaten the game yet, then play the sound effect. So I'm gonna change this logic a little bit. So the game manager used to be the thing that set the player has beaten the game. I'm going to change that and say the credits scene decides when the player has beaten the game. Which, I mean, we could do it either way. This is not like a terrible way to do this. Let me think about this really quick because we have to do other things with this credits scene. So if we have beaten the game, what do we do? Do we show you've unlocked time trial? No, we don't want to do that. So really quick, let me turn on a do not disturb. Okay, so I'm gonna set this for now. So okay, let's do it like this. So if what is this logic? Unlock sound. It's not null. Then we'll do this. Then I will put an else here. I really want to go by like TypeScript, the way that you place curly braces and all that stuff. I wish there was linting here. Just makes life a little bit easier. Okay, so what happens here? Let's look at this credits scene. Is that music loud? It should be fine. And it should be going down every time that I talk, so it should be fine. Okay, so if they haven't beaten the game, check if you can do the unlock sound. Set that they actually beat the game. Now, if they have beaten the game already, where is Unity? Okay, if they have beaten the game, let's go over to the scene. Here. So here's that scene. And this unlock. Yeah, this is the unlocked thing. We also have credits, which I don't think we want to show. I don't think we want to show those. If I hide the unlock container, cool. So this needs to be referenced in the script. And I think it would happen with a game object. Game object. Time trial unlock text is serialized, which means we will now see it out here. Time trial unlock text, perfect. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this active. So if we haven't beaten the game yet, then we're gonna make sure that time trial unlock, yes, no, true. And then otherwise, false. Now, what's next? We have to enable some other set of text. Basically, we need a new screen here. So if I... let's duplicate this. And let's call this final text. Let's just do that. I'm gonna hide this for now. Okay. Thanks for playing. Means a lot to us. It really does. I mean, we're just some devs that want to make cool shit and release a game and maybe make some money off of it. But ideally, it's like, it's about the game development. It's about just making stuff that we care about. And this is something really cool. I actually really like what we're doing with the mechanics here. In a month or so, we're actually going to experiment a lot with level design. And that's going to be fun stuff to record because that's going to be a bit more... Because I'm a notebook type of person where I write all my ideas out and draw in a journal. So I'll have to figure out getting a webcam to look at the journal and see what's going on there. I should show my notes actually on this channel. I've been meaning to do a video about the first level that I redesigned and the process that I went through for that. It's a cool thought experiment. If you've never done something like that before, it's really fun. Okay, so let's change the text here. Thanks for playing. Wish list us on Steam. This screen can really have any sort of text on it. And this is fine for like a V1, right? I mean, we can always go in and change the text. The main issue is that we shouldn't be seeing this other one. We shouldn't be seeing this text when we've already unlocked the time trial. So when we've already beaten the game, this should be hidden, which is the logic that we have here. When we enter the credits, when we start in the credits scene, if they have not beaten the game, then show the time trial unlocked text. Say, or play the sound, and then set, hey, you've beaten the game now. Now, otherwise, hide the time trial unlocked text, and then we're going to need another serialized field. For, what is this? Thanks for playing text. Save that, Alt tab over, and let's rename this to thanks for playing. There it is. And we're going to go over to that main script, drop this in there, boom. Done. Now let's try it using our easy repo. Yeah, repro is the word. Repro is short for reproducible. So in the industry, when you're working on a bug and someone tells you, hey, this thing is broken, one of the best things you can do as an engineer is ask them, hey, do you have a repro? Do you have a set of like instructions to get somebody else to... Oh, God. Nice. Do you have a set of instructions for me to reproduce this easily? Like, how did you find this? How did it break? Do I see it myself? If I do, okay, this is a bug. Let's move forward. And why didn't my thing show up? Maybe, just maybe, because I didn't set the thing active. So this will be false. Thanks for playing text. Boop, 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 boop. Thanks for playing. True. And that might be it for this bug. Let's try again. I thought I hit the play button. And my screen went out. Why the heck does that happen? The screen is still out. Okay, I can see it on OBS at least. What is going on? Let me turn off this screen and turn it back on. This monitor has never failed me before. What is happening? Okay, let me disconnect, reconnect. Actually, no, that's gonna mess stuff up. I'll just use OBS because I'm almost done anyway. God, the screen is tiny. Do. Nope. Okay, come on. Break it, go. Oh, ah. Oh my god. Nice, go. Oh god. Ah. This was meant to be a cozy stream. Apologies for all the yelling, but hopefully that it's being caught by the compressor. Nice. Okay, and now what happens? Thanks for playing. Wish us on Steam. Ideally, we would add like a link here or something. But I want to get some feedback on what exactly needs to be on this page, because I got the bug that, hey, we need to show something else. We can't show the same thing. But I don't know exactly what to show. So I'll show this progress and then get some feedback, and then we'll figure out what to do next time. And then this should still end on any input. And we have time trial. So the other thing that I have to do is what? Our help button. Help. I want to reset player prefs. What do I do here? I'm trying to find the help menu. Let me drag this to another screen so that I can actually reset the player prefs. Edit, clear all player prefs. And now it works? Wait, my monitor just fixed itself. What happened there? Okay. Cool. Okay, so now the continue button might actually be deactivated. I'm going to just hack this really quick. Main menu canvas, continue button. Let's set you to interactable. Yes. All right. So when we play through the game and we get to the final level, right now I have not beaten the game, so we should see the credits, not the credits, the unlocked, the time trial unlocked. Perfect. So you unlock time trial, great. Now we're back here, and now we have time trial. Let's beat it again, and we should see just the first part of that, or the second, the new thing that we added. God damn it. The new thing that we added today, we should see it. And then the last thing I have to verify is that the sound still plays when we beat it the first time. Cool. Now, the sound. Clear all player prefs. Yes. Didn't want to start fresh. Let's play it again. To continue. Great. Go, 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 go. We should hear the sound effect. And we unlock time trial. Nice. All right. So there's the indie dev bite this morning. Let me see if I have any other bugs, because I have a bit more time. At the end of your time trial mode and a normal mode if you've unlocked it. Oh yeah, what happens if we beat time trial mode itself? Let's check out this leaderboard. Oh, mine isn't gonna work because I don't have my thing set up. But let's see what my record is here. So you should only be able to get into time trial if you have beaten the game. So has beaten game should be set, and we should see like a thanks for playing. Oops. I'm gonna mute the game. Go. This. Do. Oh, that's all of them, right? Oh no! Come on, almost there. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Okay. Ah, this is the wrong direction. Oop. How many more levels? Okay, we're in the mines. This Castlevania mix is getting pretty good. Been working on this one for a minute now. Oh, if you're interested in it, post a comment. I can post a link to that. Ah! Oh my god! Okay. There we go. I think I'm already under the fastest time on the leaderboard. Oop. Oh, come on. Oh, did I just... Oh, damn it. Almost there. Oh no. Yeah, I messed up. Boom. It can be a little stressful when you're waiting for these little, like this little sprite effect to actually get to the thing to open it. And you're already there and you're getting chased by a missile. It can get pretty intense. Nice. 2 more levels. Now, what we should see is the credits, or is the thanks for playing. Oh, I keep making that same mistake. I've got a solid strat over here. But it's over here where I start to die. There it is. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. Wishlist us on Steam. Wishlist us on Steam. Cool. So that's today's episode of development, because I don't think I have another issue here. Let me send a message. Oh, you know what? I think it's whenever I focus out of my monitor that it just dies. Or not? Okay, we want links for socials. Do we have assets for that? Okay, I'm actually gonna end it here because I don't want to just wander aimlessly in these videos. I solved the at least part of this bug, which wasn't too hard, honestly. This one was pretty straightforward. The testing took longer than the actual implementation of the fix, which is kind of funny, but it is what it is. If you are watching this, thank you so much for watching. This is just meant to be like a chill, I don't know, development stream, I guess. It's not really a stream, but it's a dev log sort of thing. I'm just kind of working on this out in the open, and if this interests anybody, then, you know, feel free to watch. If not, that's fine too. And with that, we will conclude this episode. Peace.